2002 BMW 745. No start condition. Will crank, will not start. So I keep getting the code which says, let's see what the code says. Oh, wrong button. Read codes. And I'm using this old computer, but we'll do the trick because this computer came at the time that this car was built. And it has 2737 DME anti-tampering protection, so that will cause not to start. So let's see, erase the code, read the code, and it did erase the code. But let's say it didn't erase it. We go to service function, drive, motor adjustments, and then we go to DME CAS, terminal on, engine off. Okay, engine didn't start in the first place. Okay, communication with the control unit checks next. Okay, communication with the control unit is okay. Go to selection. Okay, so now we want to start with number 2. So we're gonna hit number 2. Number 2, and it says DME control unit is ready to receive start value. So the car will start now, it says. And start value program is on this factor. Okay, so turn the ignition off and terminal off. So we're gonna give it a few seconds. Turn the key on, start. Of course it start. So that's how you do it. If you cannot reset the codes, you go to this matching completed. Engine start is possible again. Okay, that's good. So we want to end this program. So where did I go? To CAS I went to adjustment, I went to motor electronics, drive, service function, and that's it. Okay, now it runs perfect. Let me shut it off and start it back again. Okay, I had no problem starting. So now what's left is tire pressure. This car has no mileage, 57,000 miles, 2002, not that bad.